This week I am testing the BYD Sealion 7. This is a fully electric 5-seater. I'm going to be putting it through our full baby drive testing with my family on board, seeing how child seats fit in the back, prams fit in the boot, and doing all the school runs and extracurriculars that family life demands. We'll be seeing how it drives and what the media system and cameras are like. So let's jump straight in and put it through our full testing. And don't forget to like and subscribe and follow us on our socials. The boot door of the BYD Sealion 7 opens and closes electronically. Also has a lock button up here. If you touch that, walk away from the car with all your arms full of your kids and all their things, then it automatically locks the whole car for you, which is a fantastic feature for families. The door opens and closes silently, so again, fantastic for families. It won't wake your little kids sleeping in the back. Underneath the boot floor in here, the little storage area for a puncture repair kit and for your charging cables. Now this model does have a lovely rubber floor mat in the boot, which really protects the floor from pram wheels and all your kids' dirty stuff. Also great for an emergency nappy change. Now let's find out how a range of prams fit in the boot of the BYD Sealion 7.
When empty, the boot of the BYD Sealion 7 will hold 13 shopping bags. Or a multi-configuration pram with a single seat will fit in the boot of the BYD Sealion 7 with 4 shopping bags. The same multi-configuration pram with 2 sibling seats will fit in the boot of the BYD Sealion 7 with 4 shopping bags. And multi-configuration pram with a single seat and the bassinet will fit in the boot of the BYD Sealion 7 but with no shopping bags. Or a single running pram with the back wheels on fits easily in the boot with 3 shopping bags. Or a twin side-by-side running stroller with the back wheels on fits easily in the boot but with no shopping bags. A compact and lightweight folding stroller fits in the boot of the BYD Sealion 7 with 6 shopping bags. Or you can fit 2 90-litre duffel bags in the boot. Or a medium-sized dog.
If you're looking at buying the BYD Sealion 7 or you'd like some advice about which cars might suit your family, you can just get in touch on the link above and we'll be happy to help. The front of the BYD Sealion 7 is very comfortable. These seats are incredibly comfortable. The grown-ups are very lucky. Across the dash there are 2 air vents in the middle and 1 at each end. There's also lit vanity mirrors in both of the front visors, but no glasses case in the ceiling. There are 2 cup holders in the central console. They will hold a reusable or a disposable coffee cup, and in front of them are 2 phone charging pads. Behind the cup holders is a very good sized central console box, and underneath the central console bridge, it's large enough to hold an iPad or a handbag there, and also you've got USB-C sockets there and a 12-volt socket for charging. The glove box is a very good size in the front. It will hold an iPad and wallet, and the door bins are an excellent size in the front too. They will hold a refillable water bottle and an iPad and wallet fit in them, and there's little storage handle wells in all the doors. Storage in the back of the Sealion 7 is good. There's a fold down in the central seat back with 2 cup holders. They'll hold a reusable or disposable coffee cup, and a kid's drink cup fits in them too. And there's a little storage box for your phone as well. In the back of both front seats are mat pockets that will hold an iPad and phone pockets too. And the rear doors will hold a refillable water bottle. Passengers are kept nice and comfortable in the back of the BYD Sealion 7. There are air vents in the back of the central console box, so you can keep little passengers in the back the right temperature while you're driving along. There's also charging sockets there for your rear passengers to charge their devices while you're driving along. Above both of the rear doors there are handles, so you can hang a toy for a little infant when you're on a long journey. And there's lights above the rear doors, so you can see what you're doing putting your kids in at night. When it comes to safety, the Sealion 7 does have a 5-star ANCAP safety rating, scoring 93% for child occupancy and 87% for adult occupancy. Also has 7 airbags as standard, including side curtain airbags that extend to the second row. When it comes to installing child seats in the back of the BYD Sealion 7, there are Isofix in the 2 outer rear seats. They're not within plastic guides. They are within the seat fabric, which does just make them a little bit tricky to access, but once you've got them in there, then they do connect well. The top tether anchorages are on the back of all 3 seat backs and easily accessible through the boot. Now I can fit 3 child seats in here really lovely and easily. It's very spacious in the back here. 3 forward facing or rear facing will fit. And the footwell is completely flat in the back, which makes access really nice and easy. And these doors open very wide as well. Legroom is very good in here. With a forward-facing child seat, we could easily fit much taller than a 186 centimetre driver, 190 plus. With a rear-facing, still 186 centimetre driver can fit really comfortably, so a bit taller than that will fit too. I could fit in between 2 child seats in the back. That's how spacious these back seats are. The media system in the BYD Sealion 7 is lovely and easy to navigate. It's got these shortcuts along the bottom here, which just make it nice and easy. Now, it does have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto wireless, which is fantastic, so you can access your phone and apps and things while you're driving along. Also, along the bottom here, you've got shortcuts to all the things in the car that you need, especially these quick links, so you can lock the rear child locks individually. So that's really good if you've only got a little one on one side and an adult on the other. You've also got physical child locks in the driver's door control panel, which I really like. Then you don't have to go into the screen here. You've got your seat adjustments, seat ventilation and things like that in here as well. Now also, just down at this other little car icon here, this is where you can go in and change lots of things and customize them in the car to how you like them. So this is the ADAS system. You can go in and change that, go in and change things about the drive mode and things like that as well. Also along the bottom here, you do have your climate controls as well, so you can easily access those and change it to how you like it. It's actually pretty easy to use while you're driving along, and this does have the 3-finger swipe left and right for fan speed and temperature as well. When you put it into reverse, camera images are lovely and clear. You've got lots of different views that you can use as well as 2D and 3D, and you can turn the parking sensors on and off on the screen as well. The BYD Sealion 7 is a lovely car to drive. It's really nice and smooth and quiet, and being fully electric, got all those lovely benefits of being able to drive your kids to sleep and things like that, sitting at school pickup without chewing through fuel, which is fantastic. This is the premium model, has a range of about 480 kilometres. The performance all-wheel drive model has a range of about 450 kilometres. Both is ample for us for a family. Most of our driving throughout the week without having to charge, which is fantastic. The turning circle is very good. The steering's nice and light, but it still feels really solid to the road. Our visibility is very good in here. With 3 child seats in the back, I can still see out of there, and the cameras are fantastic. So to sum up with the BYD Sealion 7, it does make a great family car. Fits those 3 child seats in the back really nice and easily with fantastic legroom. And it's got a flat footwell, making it nice and easy for passengers to access. Boot space is really good in here, easily fitting a twin pram or a really decent sized family shop. The drive is fantastic. It's very comfortable in here, both rear and front passengers. The drive is great, the range is really good, and the media system and cameras are excellent.